What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want to do a full deep dive and overview and also trade on SimpleFX. If you have been a long-term subscriber of the channel, you will know that almost 3 or 4 years ago, I was covering SimpleFX as one of the best places out there to trade literally everything. On SimpleFX, guys, you can trade crypto, forex, commodities, stocks, European stocks, US stocks, whatever it is, you can trade it on SimpleFX. And that's one of the main features which I love. They've also added Timmy AI as well, which I'm going to talk about in today's video if you want to use AI to help you with your trading. So as always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching out there. I truly do appreciate it. To give back, I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. So drop a comment on today's video and all future videos to be in with a chance of winning that. And of course, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult a legal financial advisor in your country if you wish to take action on anything. And also, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, or Europe, please do not watch, engage, or comment with my videos or links. So let's get into the video, guys. As I said in the intro, if you've been a long-term subscriber of the channel, thank you first of all. And second of all, you'll notice that I've already been trading on SimpleFX for many, many years now. And I want to do a video again to bring it back to your attention in case you haven't been trading on it at all. So first of all, what is SimpleFX? SimpleFX is a platform which allows you to trade many different things. For example, CFDs, Forex, we can see right here, crypto as well, and many other different categories. And it makes it very, very easy. First of all, you can deposit crypto. It's super, super easy. One of the best things out there right now that SimpleFX is having is a massive promotion if you do want to go ahead and make an account. So first of all, down below on this video, go ahead and make yourself an account at SimpleFX and then go ahead and deposit, because there's absolutely huge deposit bonuses right now. If we go over here to the promotions tab, of course, if you're watching this at a different time, you will see different promotions. But one of the biggest things I can see right here is your first trade is actually protected up to $300. Yes, it's right. If you go ahead and make a trade and you lose, you're protected up to $300. So that's if you're entering a $500 trade and you completely lose the trade, you'll actually get up to $300 back, which is really, really crazy. You can read all the terms right here. And of course, you can go ahead and read them for yourself. Not only that, but they have a massive deposit bonus as well. So you can actually go ahead and get up to a $5,000 deposit bonus, and also go ahead and get up to the $300 first trade shield protection. And again, your entry point is only $20 US, guys. If you go ahead and enter and deposit $20, you're going to go ahead and get an $8 bonus. $50 will get you $20 bonus. And again, a $500 deposit will get you a $200 bonus. If you do $2,000, $1,000 bonus, and $10,000 deposit will get you a $5,000 bonus. In my opinion, guys, if you're new to this, if you're an experienced trader, of course, deposit the $10,000, trade away, make the most of it. However, if you are new to this, then first of all, I would learn how to trade before you trade. Second of all, I would always do your risk management. Third of all, check if it's legal in your country. And fourth of all, I would go ahead and deposit $500, because with that $500, you're going to get the most bang for your buck. You're going to get a $200 deposit bonus, but also you are going to go ahead and get the maximum level of protection for your first trade insurance. You're going to get that $300 shield right here, which we were talking about. And you can really potentially have a very, very nice trade for your first trade on SimpleFX. So as I said before, SimpleFX is one of my favorite platforms. We can trade hundreds of different global instruments right here. Again, Brent, Germany, Ethereum, Euro, USD, Intel. There is literally everything which you can trade in one platform. And yes, now some crypto exchanges do have this. However, they don't offer it at the complexity which SimpleFX does in fact offer. They've got a web app, as we can see right here, which I will be on in just a second. Also, there is a desktop app as well, and of course a mobile app on App Store and Google Play Store as well. And of course, there's many advantages to trade on SimpleFX. So a trusted partner since 2014. As you know, I featured them on the channel 3 or 4 years ago. A lot of good security. You can go ahead and demo trade as well before you jump in with live capital. And again, there's no fees and no minimum deposit. Again, whether you want to invest $1 or $1,000, SimpleFX has no minimum deposit requirements and no transaction fees. So You can see all the different reviews and all the different awards which they have won. Let's go ahead and deep dive into the platform and see what exactly they offer. First of all, we can see here in this area right here, the offer section, all the different things which they have to offer. The trading section, we can see all the different ways. But first of all, you want to go ahead and click trade now. Once you click trade now, it will bring you to a page like this. You want to then go ahead and click deposit right up there and deposit crypto to the exchange. Super, super easy, super, super simple. You just click deposit and then you go ahead and select if you want to do Bitcoin, for example, or something else. In my opinion, Bitcoin will be the easiest. Choose which network you want to. If you don't understand what this is, I would probably research it or ask AI just so you get the correct network for Bitcoin. But again, super, super easy. You can also deposit fiat as well. And again, on the screen right now, we can see NVIDIA. It recently had highs of around $236 right here back in May. Now currently sitting at around $191. And this is one of the good things about SimpleFX. You can trade things like Bitcoin if you want, or you can go ahead and trade NVIDIA. So right here, I'll pull up the chart for Bitcoin. We can trade Bitcoin there, and you can also just quickly jump to a chart and trade NVIDIA as well. We can see on the left side, these are my favorites right there, which I've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, BTC, GameStop, AMC, Coinbase, and Porsche right there. And again, we can see all the commodities right there, the indices, Forex as well, crypto, 42 different assets in crypto. And again, Asia, Europe, Latin America, and North America. So you are very, very well covered if you are a trader and you do want to trade on SimpleFX. Really nice, clean interface right here. And again, as I said in the intro, if you want to go ahead and use AI to trade with you, go ahead and use SimpleFX, because we can see here it's got Timmy AI. First of all, I'm going to enter a trade and then I'm going to show you a little bit about Timmy AI. So again, like I said previously, you can go up here and select your live account or the demo account. For this video, for the tutorial purpose, I am going to use the demo account. I'm not going to go on my live account because before I enter a trade, I want to do real setup analysis, not just enter one in the video. So I'm going to use this demo account right here. And again, if you want to go ahead and enter a trade for Bitcoin, you can just simply right click and buy, sell, or new order. So I'm going to click new order right here. And again, as I'm filming this, the FOMC meeting is coming out in about 20 minutes. So this is going to highly decide which direction the price of Bitcoin is going to go. But for the purpose of this video, let's go ahead and do a buy order, or some would say a long position on another exchange. I'm going to go ahead and choose this right here up to 0.1 coins right there. The availability is 3.4. And again, the account leverage right there is at 500x, which is very large. So just be careful and adjust this right here if you want to be safer. So again, I'm going to adjust that to 0.1 right there. We can see the trade value is in fact 6,390. The free margin is that amount and the required margin is $127. You can set your stop loss and take profit right there, but for the purpose of this video, I will not. So I'm going to go ahead and click submit right there. And we can see I've submitted that trade. It is now live. Again, once you've gone ahead and put the trade on the order book, you can then go ahead and click take profit right there and stop loss and edit that as well. So all you have to do if you wanted to use Timmy AI right here is go ahead and say, tell me about my Bitcoin. If I could type correctly, that would be beautiful. Bitcoin trade. Click enter right there, agree to the terms and conditions, and you can go ahead and see what will happen right there. You can ask it things like, give me a rundown of Bitcoin for the day. So once I've asked it that question, you can see right here, it will pull up Bitcoin right there, and you can go ahead and open the chart, but I already have it open, so that's not needed. And we can see right here, your Bitcoin position right there. This is the ticket number. This is the side, the entry, the current profit and loss, the stop loss and take profit if they are there. And again, we can go ahead and add a stop loss right there. So we can say add a 10% stop loss and go ahead and click that right there. And let's see if it will in fact add it, because this is really cool. I think that Timmy AI and having some kind of stop loss right there that you can add just simply from a chat is absolutely amazing. So again, right there, we can go ahead and confirm it right there. Go ahead and confirm, and that has now been confirmed, and we've added the stop loss to the chart. So it really is, in my opinion, not a gimmick. A lot of AI things with trading and crypto and Forex, they are a little bit gimmicky, but honestly, this is really good. Rather than having to go on the chart right there, you can simply say, I want to, again, let's say I want to add a take profit at 67,500. Add take profit at 67,500. And again, we can go ahead and do that. Rather than opening up the area right here for take profit, you can just simply ask Timmy AI and it's going to go ahead and let you open a trade or go ahead and add a take profit right there. Take profit 67,500, and then bam, it's on the chart like that. And it's super, super simple. So all you need to do is go ahead and trade, and you can ask it different questions about analysis and everything like that. So honestly, in my opinion, this is one of the greatest things about SimpleFX, which they've added since previously when I didn't. In fact, 3 years ago or 4 years ago, they didn't have this. Again, AI has been booming in the last few years, so that's probably why they have added it. And again, I can go ahead and put close trade right there, and then it will go ahead and prompt me most likely to go ahead and close the trade. So again, can click confirm, and the trade has successfully been closed. Super, super easy, super intuitive. You literally just type right there. You can open a long position. So again, I think it's a really useful feature to have on SimpleFX. Guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you did enjoy it. If you did want to go ahead and make the most of these bonuses and this trade insurance protection, again, we can see right here on the promotions tab, your first trade is protected. As I said, there will be a link down below. If you deposit $500, you're going to get a $200 bonus. And again, if you are using that $500, it's going to give you the maximum first trade protection. So again, $200 bonus, you're going to get a $300 credit if you are in fact on a loss on that first trade. If this is valid when you're watching that video, in my opinion, $500, it's the best way to go because you're getting the maximum $200 bonus right there. And of course, a $300 trade protection. Again, if you've got more money and you are a more experienced trader and you understand the risks, a $10,000 deposit is going to get you a $5,000 bonus. So that's a 50% bonus. It's absolutely huge. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I really hope you did enjoy it. Let me know down below if you're going to be trading on SimpleFX. And again, I hope to see you very, very soon. Catch you in the next one.